Okay, so now that we have the rules for both of these tables, on one set of axes, we're going to use each rule to graph. Okay, so if we take a look at these rules, it looks like the y-intercept is -1 on one of them, and then it goes up fairly steeply after that. And the y-intercept for this rule is 2, and it goes up even more steeply for that. And so I think this set of axes will work for graphing it. Okay, so let's take this rule first. So we need to find -1 or -1 on the y-axis. So that's right here, because this is the origin. So this is going to be our y-intercept for this rule. And then we know that for every 1x that we go up, we will go up 1, 2, 3. So there's our next point. So over 1 and then up 1, 2, 3. Over 1 and up 3. Okay, so there's our first line, and we can go ahead and draw that. So we'll line up all these points and then draw the line and put an arrow at each end because it continues infinitely. And we can also label this because we know that it is y equals 3x plus, minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, so the next thing we need to graph is this one. And we know the y-intercept is 2. So we will put that right there, that 2 on the y-axis. And then we need to go up 5 for every x that we go over. So if we go over, increase x by 1, we go up the y-axis by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over 1 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 3 points here. So we can go ahead and graph this by lining up those 3 points. Okay, and then we will label this one according to this rule, which is y equals 5x plus 2. 5x plus 2. And that is what our graph looks like.